In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheets file and make sure you are on the sheet where you want your dashboard to live. Once you are in the spreadsheet, go up to the top menu and click Insert. Then choose Chart. This creates a chart and opens the chart editor on the right side, which is where you will control the data and the look of the dashboard element. Next, click into the area that is highlighted for the data range. You will switch over to the tab named Sheet 1 to pull the correct source data. Click the highlighted field for the range, then type in the range you want to use. Be careful to include your header row, because headers help Google Sheets label your chart correctly. After that, click the highlighted field again and type the next range as shown in your setup. Then confirm by clicking OK. This locks in the data selection and sends you back to your dashboard sheet. Now in the chart editor, click the highlighted option to open the chart settings. Then click Chart Type. From the list, select Scorecard Chart. A scorecard is ideal for dashboards because it shows a single key number clearly, like a total, a count, or a current value. After you select the scorecard, click through the highlighted options shown to finalize the scorecard setup. These clicks are typically used to confirm the series, adjust what value is displayed, and make sure the scorecard is reading from the right part of your data. Once the scorecard is in place, you will add a second visual. Go back to Insert at the top, choose Chart again, and this time set the chart type to Column Chart. Column charts are great for comparing values across categories, so they complement a scorecard nicely. With the new chart selected, click the highlighted fields in the chart editor, then go back to Sheet 1. Click Select a data range, choose the highlighted range you need, and then click OK to confirm. Finally, return to the dashboard sheet and click the remaining highlighted options to complete the chart configuration and ensure it is displaying properly. That covers everything you need to know.